Hello guys, and welcome to Young Programmers MTP, and I'm your host Omar Nurain. Today I want to show you how to start and make your own game at home using Scratch 2.0. And if you don't have the software in your computer, just don't worry, because I'm here for you. I'll put the link in the description below so that you can find it. Now let me go to the Scratch 2.0 and show you how to start. Now just double click and it will open. Just maximize, delete this sprite here by right clicking, then choose delete, add a new sprite which I want a ball. It is just here. Just double click the ball, just double click and it will open. It is loading slowly, so it will open. Don't worry, a little bit. Have patience. The ball is here, as you can see. Now we need another sprite, which is a border. Let me use this button because there's no boards. Now we need a line also. Let me add a new sprite, which is a line. It is here. Let us look at the line. Yes, the line here. Just double click and it will open. Put the line at the bottom of the page. It is here. Then put this button here and the ball up here. Now let's start with the button to make it move right and left. Let me use the mouse to see, right, like this. Move right and left without going up or down. It is just, we want it just to move in the X axis, not the Y. So we come here, the events. We take the, when flag is clicked, we go to control and forever. Then the sensing, we choose key dash is pressed. Now we root to control. We come back to controller and we choose if. It is here, if. Then put it there. Then we just want the right. We want it to move the X axis, so we use the right and left arrow. Let us use the right arrow and move 10 steps. Now we change it to be 1 step and we duplicate it by right clicking, then duplicate and put it here, then change here and use left arrow, then -1, so that it can move to the left side. Let us try. Let us click the flag button. As you can see, it is moving, but it is moving slowly, guys. It is moving slowly. So let us add here, use 10 steps and here -10 steps. Let us try. As you can see, it is moving. Yeah, it is moving a little bit faster. Now we need to assign the ball also, but as you can see, the time is moving, so let me just preview it for you in full screen. Then we'll continue making the game in our next video. So as you can see, the board is moving from right to left, left, right. So guys, that's all for today, and we'll continue the second sprite, which is the ball and the line. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in our videos to give us support in this mission. Thank you for today and see you next time.